Here's the report from the Russian Defense Ministry on the status of military operation in Ukraine on Thursday, 11 August 2022. The Russian Federation Armed Forces continue their special military operation in Ukraine. The 14th and the 66th Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine in Artemovsk and Adiyevka direction have lost more than 50% of their soldiers as a result of offensive action by the Russian active allied forces. There have been whispered nationalist defection and posts that have been voluntarily given up. Operational, tactical, and army aviation missiles and artillery attacks against Ukrainian military installation continue. Near Konstantinovka, Sevex, Zaitsevo, Novoselka, Ocheretino, Vodinoye in Donetsk People Republic, and Trudovoye in Zaporozhye region. 20 brigade and battalion command posts as well as 8 ammo depots have been struck. Near Kharkov, there are some missiles and artillery weapons points as well as S-300 anti-aircraft missiles, 1 missile and artillery weapon store, 1 S-300 anti-aircraft missile system locator, and 264 military and special equipment concentration places have all been destroyed close to Kharkov. 3 platoons of Grad multiple rocket launcher system, 2 artillery platoons of Akatsiya guns, and 3 platoons of D-30 howitzers have been suppressed at firing position on the Donetsk People Republics, Umaskoye, Krasnogorovka, and Novrogodskoye. Near Nikopol in Dnipropetrovsk region, Mi-24 helicopters have downed by the Russian Aerospace Forces fighter aircraft. 7 unmanned aerial vehicles were destroyed by Russian aerospace defense methods close to the Kharkiv region, Brigadorovka, Grakovo, Silugovka, Adrievka, Babenkovo, Zavodi, and Livchanovka. In the area of Lysychansk, forces for multiple rocket launchers were also intercepted. The operation resulted in the destruction of 4,287 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 267 Ukrainian aircraft, and 146 helicopters, 1,727 unmanned aerial vehicles, 365 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,290 field artillery and mortars, 4,820 units of the special military vehicles, and 797 multiple launcher rocket systems. Based on the Ukrainian authority report that the Russia also lost big number of war equipment until day 169. 223 aircraft, 193 helicopters, 1,846 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare system, 261 multiple launcher rocket system, 3,018 vehicles, fuel tanks, 772 unmanned aerial vehicles, and 185 cruise missiles.